It's like a physical representation of mental chaos, just their shape, right? Like the way that they sit, and then you like don't really know what's in them and they're looming. Oh, I hate file cabinets. Right now I am going through the belongings of several family members, my mother, my grandmother, and my grandfather all at once. They were the best. They were dedicated to the ins and outs of our lives, every report card, every letter that I sent them. So I basically have an abandoned store that we're renting out, and we brought all of the different personal artifacts to a single place. We've got documents that people can't find. We've got estates that we're trying to close. We've got photos and papers.
Birth certificates, diplomas, things with the land, things with the house. There's a lot. My grandparents, and their grandparents before them all had papers. Everybody kept everything.
I mean, I could tell my mom was daunted by the thought of taking this on. She'd been sick for a very, very long time. So when my grandparents passed, she wasn't really in a place where she could take care of, their things or go through them. It's emotional work. It's also physical work.
You don't want to throw something out that's important. You also don't want to keep everything.
It became very clear to me that we needed a more modern system for what we were trying to tackle. So I have a friend that was using Trustworthy and was raving about how she used it for her family. And I reached out and I said, do you think I could do something like this with the volume that we have? Is this something that Trustworthy could take on? Trustworthy was like, absolutely. We can figure out how to work with you and help you solve this. They sent me a link to a list of experts who understand the technology. It's been helpful.
I think it's great that we can have this one app that we can access on our phones. It'll be a huge help not having to think about, okay, pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, and where's pile 4? The categorizing part of it is really helpful.
I feel a lot of relief. I mean, I know that this would be so much more work without Trustworthy. We can harness technology to take care of it for us in the background so that you can focus on the actual memory. I know my grandfather was trying his best to capture it and keep it organized for generations. I think he would marvel at something like this if he could just take a picture and have it tell him what it is and move it to its right spot and save it forever. I think he would think that was the coolest thing.